need to start my work. So, Madam Musala, say Musala. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I'll make fish. This fish soup, just for quick. And then I got tomatoes, ginger, bay leaf, 1 garlic, spring onion, lemon for when I will clean my fish. I need to clean 2 lemon, I like always. And I have goat meat, oil. I have oil here. I have here my seasoning. This is my seasoning I have. Yeah, just quick. Bonjour, my name is Rolanda. Allez, non, c'est la Mbisy. Bonjour, my name is Rolanda. Les non, c'est la Mbisy. Mbisy, c'est fraîche. Nous sommes en carnaval. Na Maurice, nous sommes en la maman. Il y a vite fait, quand il y a soupe, il y a vite fait. Na tomate awawa, na nazana jamba roma, nazana tangawis, nana ail, nana feuille de laurier, nana ndembe, nana litungulu, nana muscade, nana citron. Lorsqu'on a citron, nana marais, vite fait. Oh, nazana pilipili, naocha pilipili. Also, I have my chili. Always I like my fish with chili. I'll bring my chili. This is my chili. I have chili too. I'll add my lemon. Not just I'll add my lemon. Not just citron. Add 1 jumbo aroma, garlic, onion and then onion. Attende mena litungulu. Feuille de laurier là. Ginger, tangawis, la poussière. Some ginger. Muscade, you keep the muscade. Goat meat. And then 2 tomatoes here. Oil, il va mouiller. Yeah, after 2 minutes, I'll add water. After 2 minutes, après 2 minutes, on fait mayi. I add water after 2 minutes. That's a video. That's it. I add water. I'll be back soon. après 2 minutes na temayi na ninga na tikango 2 minutes ma na bango pepe suka vite fait na vanda na ngena ninga sina cheniti na chenja ba roma na ngaya po na cha sumungu ate na chekina na mungu cha mungu ate so na cha na tikango 2 minutes na blouse na ba engane na kati ekota na kata pe na temayi na ninga bon po ekota gu temeza vite fait na sala mingi bon mona so long na gu. I want it 2 minutes because I leave that 2 minutes first because I want it to, you know, when I put my jam aroma, you know, and then everything that I did, I want to cook all together, outward, and then because I like testing inside my fish testing, and then after then I will add water. That's why I leave always 2 minutes when I do just quick cooking like fish. Now 25 minutes. My fish already now. The belly 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. My fish already. The belly. Look now. I'll eat of semolina. Look semolina with fish. My fish so delicious. So mbiso yo sikoyo ezaba mbiso na sombi na na Angleterre na Morrison. Ba mbiso za fresh na soma presque ba 5 livres. Mais ce qui on est au Kenya na mbiso somba ba paquet ba ngolona ezala 6 minene 8 livres. Donc na 3 livres et quelques fois na koksa mbiso minene mais sikoyo liango za fresh neto liango na ba kinkole. This my fish is the fresh fish. Tasting nice, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Bye bye bye. So delicious. Try. So delicious. The fresh fish. It's not fresh. Okay. Thank you for watching. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Merci d'avoir déconné. Maman Irène, merci. Je soutiens à Yopé, merci Bino, maman c'est Kabavo TV, tous ces belés na WhatsApp, merci na Bino surtout, tous ces belés, maman grâce, tous ces belés, Global TV, Desho, tous ces belés. Merci na Bino, merci, bye.